Hello everyone. We have now reached part 3 of chapter 1, The Earliest People from your class 5 SST book. In our previous parts, we have already studied about the evolution of humans and the sources of history. Now, in this part, we will learn about life of early humans. So let us begin. The early humans are often referred as hunter-gatherers. This is because they did not know how to cultivate. So they would hunt or just gather foods from the plants. They were totally dependent on nature for their survival. The earliest humans wandered from place to place for several reasons. Firstly, they wandered in search of animals that they hunted for food and skin. The animals were wild and they wandered about with no permanent place to live. So did the early humans. They also wandered in search of the animals and they did not have a permanent place to live. Secondly, plants and trees bore fruits in different seasons. Since early humans lived on hunting and gathering, they had to wander to different places in different seasons. And thirdly, they moved in search of water. Many rivers and lakes are seasonal. That means they are rain fed. So early humans who lived on the banks of such rivers and lakes had to move in search of water during the dry seasons. Another reason for them to wander from place to place is that when they exhausted the resources of an area, they had to look for newer habitats. Which means, since people did not know anything related to cultivation and plantation, they did not know how to recycle the resources. So they used to move to a place and use all the resources available until and unless they are exhausted or gets over. And then they used to leave the place and go to a newer place and follow the same pattern. So this was basically how the life of early people were. They were hunter gatherers and they used to wander or move from one place to another like nomads. So, with this, we have come to the end of this chapter. Let us discuss the conclusion. Human beings are the result of human evolution, which took over for millions of years. It is a lengthy process of gradual or slow development by which modern humans originated from ape like ancestors called hominids. Since writing had not been invented during the prehistoric period, there are no written records of the period. Archaeological evidence such as fossils, bones, utensils, cave paintings, and tools help archaeologists understand how early humans lived in their environment. For quick revision, some exercises are given. Do not worry because answers are also given in the next slide. Apart from that, some homeworks are also given which you have to do in your copies. So let us start discussing the exercises. Exercise A is answer the following questions. Question number 1, define human evolution. Your answer will be the human evolution is a process of change by which modern humans evolved from early human ancestors over millions of years. Our second question is who were hominids? Your answer will be the early humans who first appeared on the earth were ape like creatures and were called hominids. Question number 3, what are the sources of history? Your answer will be the archaeological evidences which help the archaeologists understand how early humans lived in their environment is known as sources of history. Question number 4. Write a brief note on the evolution of human. Your answer will be humans evolved from ape-like creatures called hominids. Gradually as they evolved, changes occurred in their body and were called Homo erectus. They could travel long distances unlike hominids. Then emerged Homo sapiens, which means wise man, from which modern day humans have evolved. The written answers to the same question is provided here. You can copy your answers from these slides. You have to copy these question answers in your school copy. Some homeworks are also provided to you from your class 5 SST book, page number 6, exercises A, B, and C. Your exercise A is fill in the blanks. The answer keys are already provided in the brackets. You just have to put the right answer on the right place. Exercise B is also very easy, that is true or false, so you can do it on your own. Exercise C is also choose the correct answer. Where options are given, you just have to choose the right answer. Apart from this, you can see in page number 7 there is an exercise E, which is find the words in the word grid given below. So here some words are given in the bracket and you have to find them randomly from the grid. So you can do this work in your textbook only. You don't have to do it in your copy. You can see that the word evolution is already done for you. So this way you have to find the rest of the words. Now we have completed the chapter. I hope it was helpful. Thank you.